Good morning, kids! Our subject for today is MAPE. And our topic will be near and far objects. Learning module number 2, near and far objects. So our objectives for today is first, differentiate near and far objects. Second is define distance and its importance. And third, draw near and far objects. So distance and space. Let's talk about distance and space. Distance and space is important in terms of drawing. So, arts tayo today, ha? In terms of drawing, distance and space is very important. It both shows the relationships of objects in the drawing, 'di ba? We can define or we can see the difference between near and far objects because of distance and space. Diba? Yung mga space ng mga drawing natin. Yan, how far or how near they are in a certain object. So we have distance. When we say distance, it is the amount of space between two things, two objects, people, or animals, and etc. Sa iba pa pong mga example. For example, the distance between these two flowers. Okay? Gaano kalayo yung flower na to dito sa flower na to. So, this is what you call distance. Another example is the distance between people in line. Okay, the distance between this man and this woman, and then this woman to this woman, and then this woman to this man. Okay, that is what you call distance. Okay, how far they are from each other, how far or how near. Distance between the house and the children. Ayan, you can see naman the distance between the house and the children. So people and objects are near, or appear to be big when they are near. And they appear to be small when they are far, and much smaller when they are far, far away. I will give some example. So look at my example here. So we have a house, a tree, and a ball. The farthest one is the house. Diba? Sabi nga po natin, kung ano yung mas maliit, yun po ang pinakamalayo. The smaller they are, the farther they appear. And the next one is the tree. Okay? Near the ball. And the ball is nearer to us because it is the biggest of them all. Always remember, the bigger they appear, the nearer they are to us. Kung ano po yung mas malaki, yun po yung mas malapit sa ating drawing or sa ating picture. So let's do this. We have an activity on our module. Write whether the boy is far or near from the object. So we have the house, the dog, the car, the camel, and the cow. Next, draw a boy near the dog, draw a ball near the tree, and draw a house near the ball. Draw a flower far from the dog, and draw a bird far from the tree. So that is for our near and far objects. Do your activity for this day. I'll see you again. Bye!